You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these names and more confusing names of animals and Greek mythology as well, because yes, it's both a mythological character, a king of Arcadia, and a wild dog from Africa. Lycaon is how it's said in English. Now, for reference in Greek, it's said as Lycaon. So when you refer to the Greek mythology, you might want to say Lycaon. The animal is said more as Lycaon. Both pronunciations are correct. And now you know. Like this video if you found it useful, appreciate the support. More videos for you here to learn more. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful, I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.